How to get your first 100 subscribers here on YouTube. Getting subscribers isn't the easiest thing, especially when you're growing a channel from zero. But how can you do it? First of all, I'm going to jump right into the facts. I recommend you go ahead and comment on every video you can. Drop those comments. Write good feedback. Don't advertise your channel. People are going to hate you and block you from your channel, from their channel. But go ahead and continuously write amazing feedback. Write something funny if you're feeling it. Be yourself. Showcase your personality in that comment section. People will check you out, especially. Here's a tip. When someone posts a new video, or you subscribe to their notifications and you see they post a new video, that means just hit that little bell icon on their channel. Once they post that, try to be the first comment. That tends to get the most thumbs up. And if you say something simple like, beautiful, people tend to give it a thumbs up. It's funny, but since it's first, people see it, they come on, they see you're the first comment, you tend to get thumbs up. Don't waste your first comment on writing first. That's idiotic. That's what a lot of people do. So be a part of the community. That's how you build your first subscribers. Another tip is to go ahead and look for videos. If you go to YouTube and you type something in, like vlogs, you'll get the most popular ones. But if you go and customize your search and just click in the, I believe, the top left-hand corner, and you look for videos that were made today and videos that were made in the past hour or past 4 hours, or look for the most recent videos you can find with the least amount of viewers. You comment on those channels, people see you have a channel, you're a small YouTuber, they're a small YouTuber. You're not asking for their subscription, so they won't be inactive, but they'll say, hey, you know what, this person makes videos and they were kind to me, and I'm a small YouTuber, so there's a good chance they'll subscribe to you too. You do this consistently, and the rule with everything is to do it very consistently for a long time. Stick to one number. Don't go more, don't go less. 5 comments a day, every single day for a week, for a month. Do that for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Next step, create as much content as possible and label that content well in search. Don't make a series called, I don't know, Flippity Flop, and put Flippity Flop episode 1. Who is going to search for Flippity Flop episode 1? This is the mistake I made. And this isn't just a subscriber mistake, this is an idiotic mistake. This is like, don't, Flippity Flop episode 1, you think it's going to get discovered because the content is great inside of Flippity Flop? No one gives a damn. No one's going to notice it. Flippity Flop in 5 years, you'll be astounded to find it hasn't gained a single view. Even if you produce 80 episodes of Flippity Flop, it's probably not going to catch on because of YouTube's algorithms. They're harsh, they're brutal, they'll step on your neck and crush it. What you need to do is understand, hey, people are searching for things. It's going to be tough, but hey, how many videos about my hometown was made? I live in the middle of Timbuktu. I'm going to make 85 videos on Timbuktu, so every single time someone searches for Timbuktu, which is probably only going to be 150 people in the next 10 years, but they're all going to get my videos, that's for sure, and then you need to be obnoxious. Create good content. Don't click people and say, flippity flop, but when they click on your video about Timbuktu, be like, hey, I'm Ralph, and this is my video about Timbuktu, and I'm going to talk about why Timbuktu is in the middle of nowhere. Make that video. Make 50 of those videos. Do that for a long time, and try to establish a consistent niche. So now we're not only moving into your 100 subscribers, but we're moving in how to get your content viewed, because that's the best way. You can't get a subscriber unless they know your content, right? Or unless you're doing those comments. So what I recommend you do is say subscribe at the beginning, at the end of each video. That call to action, leave it to only that. Say subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my channel. By leaving that call to action, people are also going to subscribe. The next thing I recommend doing, channel logo. Look at how to change your YouTube channel logo, or the logo in the right hand corner. And what you want to do is change that to a subscribe watermark. Download it from YouTube and put the subscribe watermark there. The second I did that, actually I'm looking at my analytics right now, bloop, it went all the way up. I think bloop would be down, but whoop, it really went up. So to get your first 100 subscribers, implement those techniques. But when you're uploading those videos, same time, same week, every day. You can't upload every day because you're too tired? Yeah, you're going to be too tired. You're trying to make it on YouTube with all these people out there. There is a chance that you are cool, you have a big company, you make amazing content. For most of us, we're like, how the hell do we make all that, like, lewdy-doody content like everyone else does and make it look all aesthetic and color correct it to blue and beautiful and like get all those complex shots. I don't know how people do that. Obviously they're creative, but some people's houses are orange like mine, and then they buy a nice lighting set, they accidentally smash it, and then the house remains orange and there's no way to properly light yourself. Everywhere is dark and it's winter all the time. Guarantee it, even if we put a Casey Neistat in this apartment, he would smack his head in the refrigerator because of the sort of lighting that I have in here. And it sounds like a funny excuse. Oh, you try to light yourself in this apartment without a good lighting set? Oh, no way. So what I recommend you do is don't focus on the aesthetics. Not until you have 5 million subscribers. Okay, be a creator, but wait till you have a lot of subscribers or you're building up that momentum before you get fancy-pantsy. Because if you go fancy-pantsy in the beginning, you're not going to have enough content. You got to be like a media company. You have to pump out so much damn content that people, you're force-feeding everyone and they want to vomit. I'm not kidding. And not only that, there's no such thing as uploading too much. Upload so much that you annoy all of your subscribers and they leave, but you're saying subscribe so much at the beginning and the end of each videos, and since you posted 5 trillion videos about Timbuktu, 5 million videos about why you should only wear one, nah, it's a dumb thing, about Muncho's chips. I don't know who would make millions of videos on Muncho's chips. Things that people are definitely searching for, but no one's making videos about, will get you those views. And then leaving those call to actions, you do this consistently for a few months, you'll get like 500 subscribers right now in 2018. This is a working method. Go ahead and do that. That's my advice. I do a bit of YouTube consulting, but again, I'm not a massive YouTuber, so people aren't going to like look at me like they look at those bigger YouTubers, but at the same time I've done marketing for clients and I've grown their channels to tens of thousands of subscribers this way recently, because I'm only now like realizing what it really takes and the sort of momentum and faith it takes to build a YouTube channel. So that's what I recommend you do. That will get you to 100 subscribers easily, guaranteed. And make it hate in this video, because all these types of videos people get angry. Oh, the same advice. No, do everything I said. And I didn't just say make a lot of content, I mean literally strategically that way. Think about things people are not making videos about and go ahead and make 1 trillion videos about it. But not like flippity flop, because that's not a thing people are looking for. You know what I mean? Like people might be looking something really niche. Donut hats. Wearing donuts on your head. Like, I don't think that's a thing, but if it was a thing, I don't think a lot of people would be looking for that. Make 1 trillion videos for that, because the 300 weird people who like to wear donuts on their heads are only going to find you, and you're going to become the king of donut hats. And you're going to have 300 rabid, foaming at the mouth subscribers who just want to watch your donut hat videos. I'm a weirdo, okay? I've made like 30 videos today. And the second I did that, my channel did like a weird, like, it's going up. It's going up. So, I'm very excited. This is going to be good. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, you see what I did there, and we'll talk more about YouTube tips and tricks, but also, I'm an online educator, and I teach teachers, I teach teachers how to make online revenue through teaching, and students how to move to Canada. It's a student-teacher hub, that's what this is. And there's also some marketing advice intertwined there, and daily life advice, and subscribe. Take care.